Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you the types of data in Python, or types of values in Python, their name, and some other stuffs also I'm going to show you. Without further ado, let's get started. Guys, we're back. In the last time we left off here, I will show you this code and how we can create a variable by using a equal sign in Python, and how can we print out this value in this code by using print syntax. But in today's video I'm going to show you the types of values in Python. Okay, the first one is called strings, or text. It's easy to remember by when reminding strings. Yes, those are the same, strings and text. You can remind by knowing strings are text, and strings are in Python that are surrounded by quotation mark or single quotation mark. We can also surrounded by single quotation mark, but they must be start with the same quotation mark and end up with the same quotation mark. If we don't do that, it will going to show us some canary part here, so we have to use the same that we started, or if we use here, we have to ended up with the same as the last one. So this is called strings. I can show you that by doing if you want to know the types of the value, you can type and then you can surround it by bracket, and then after you did that, you can automatically give some strings. As I told you before, to create strings we have to surround it by quotation marks. So let's say hi, and if we run this, let's delete this one, but also we can just do some thing, and we can we can adjust to not run this, just only to run. We can just only run this one by doing something, but I'm going to make video maybe for that specific thing, but for now I will delete it. Then I also deleted the first line, and I will run this, and then okay. Okay, let's run it again. I don't know. Let's run. Okay, what happened? It's supposed to be came here strings str. They must have to can print out here. Okay, I see my problem. I think I did not print out these things, that's why it doesn't show me. But if I print out this types of this value, it will going to tell me it will going to print it out here. But when we run this, it doesn't show up here, but it saves this value in the computer memory. But now let's see. And one thing to know that in this file, in this Python file, we have to type print in order to TC in the terminal every single thing, because it does. If you are not specified that, how can the code is known, how the program is known? So we have to do that. And also we can see without using print, but we cannot use it in this file, Python file, but we can use in the future video. I'm going to show you the Jupyter notebook, but in the Jupyter notebook file we can use that without printing. We can use we can print out this without using print sign, but hopefully I will going to post a video for that, but it will going to be very far in the very far video. I mean in the very future video that I'm going to post that video. So but for now we have to put print in order to print it out. So if we do that, as you can see here, it says class strings. str stand for strings, and that this value in also let's go back to the first one, and here we also can put the value here, this one, and then if we print it out, let's say print. I only did surrounding this type with print, and that's all I did here. Nothing fancy things here. And if I run this, it will going to tell me this types of these types of data, I mean value. If you run that here, as you can see here again, strings, and also you print out this thing because we specified here. So this is the one types of value, and the second one is number. It calls less. It is this is a in number. This is the types of number, and also in numbers we have two types of values, and the first one is this one, and maybe I will continue I'm sorry. Okay, this one is types of number, and the first one is integer, because this is not it doesn't have a point some number. If we print it out here, I will going to print it out the 5 number here, and then also you are going to tell us what types of data values it is. So let's run again. Here, as you can see here, it is say 5, and also tell us it is the integer strings. Strings value. So this is the one. If we just only put point, then if you run this, you're going to tell us this one is a float. Let's show you what the here. As you can see here, it will print it out 5.0. The code is automatically put another 0, and then we print it out here the 5, and then it will classify it as a float, which means a decimal number. Okay, I hope now you have you understand the types of value, and also they have others values also. In those values explanation, I will going to continue in another video, but before I ended up this video, let's explain some extra thing for you. Integers, they write it like int, only int, and this stand for integer, and floats is just stand for decimal numbers, and strings are stand for now I'm just summarize what we learn here. So this is the strings, which means a text or that surrounded by quotation mark. We also can change this number into strings as long as we surrounded by quotation mark. If you run this one, this not integers no longer. If you run that, here as you can see here, it is strings. And if you download Python extension, also you will going to have this kind of color when the data types is strings. Here the numbers are some have common this color, and you can remind by seeing the strings in the numbers data type. Also we can change this number into strings. That's maybe if that makes question on your mind. I hope this explanations are answers that conceptions. So to also show you this, this is to check what data type it is. We also not, this is the main we cover straight data types: strings, float, strings, integer, and float, and those are the main one, but also other stuff also have, and I will going to continue those in the other video. So make sure to like and subscribe. I try to post every single day, and please support me by just clicking the like button and subscribe button, and I see you guys in the other video. Goodbye.